Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add voice in InShot 2025, whether you want to record a voiceover or add audio you already have. InShot makes it super simple. First, open the InShot app on your phone and create a new project. Import the video you want to edit. Once it's in the timeline, tap to make sure it's selected. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on audio. Don't worry, it's not just for songs. Inside here, you'll see three options: tracks, effects, and record, to add your own voice. Tap on record. This will let you record a voiceover directly inside the app. When you're ready, press the microphone button and start speaking. InShot will record your voice in real time as the video plays. When you're done, tap the stop button, and your voice recording will automatically appear in the timeline. If you already have a voice file saved on your phone, you can add it by going Tough Music option, Thango, to import it and tap Import. Select your audio file, and it will be placed right below your video clip. You can move it, trim it, or adjust the timing so it matches your video perfectly. InShot also gives you editing tools. You can adjust volume, fade in or out, or even layer multiple audios for better sound quality. Once you're happy with your voiceover, tap Export to save your video with your voice included. And that's it. That's how to add voice in InShot 2025 quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.